Sir,
Isang Monday lang or pwedeng dalawang?
Depende sa takbo ng pagdinig. Mahirap namang sabihin dalawa lang, tatlo lang o apat lang. Pero ang nasabi ko lamang kay Senator Pimentel ay ito. Mas pipiliin ko na magkaroon ng pagdinig habang recess at nang hindi gaanong maantala yung aming budget deliberations at para hindi kami maakusahan na hindi pinagbibigyan yung mga pagdinig kaugnay nito.
sir, how about joint investigation with House?
As I said, while tempting, there is no provision in our rules, nor is there a provision in the rules of the House for that to be done at this point in time. And given that we are on recess, we are not in a position to amend our rules in that regard. Yung sinasabing malabay kam, iba yon. Merong panukalang batas na pinag-uusapan at nire-reconcile. Dito ay walang panukalang batas at walang nire-reconcile. So sa ngayon, wala kaming rules na magbibigay ng kapangyarihan o ng procedure para magawa